Okay, good evening, dear children. Today we are going to discuss a topic, zeros of polynomial. So yesterday we discussed about polynomial. It means how to identify whether any given expression is polynomial or not. Okay, and today we are discussing about the zeros of polynomial. So briefly we will see what is the meaning of zeros of polynomial. So zeros of a polynomial p of x. Okay, suppose you have given any polynomial p of x and it's zero. How we will find its zero? The zero of any polynomial p of x is a number c. Here c means any number. Getting this or not? For this polynomial p of x, c is any number such that p of c is equal to 0. It means in that given polynomial, in place of x, what we have to substitute? C. And after substituting c, the value of that total polynomial will be equal to 0. Getting this or not? Okay, let us try to understand this with the help of example. So here we have a polynomial x plus 3. So what we are going to do, first we will let it. Okay, so let p of x is equal to x plus 3. P of x is equal to x plus 3. So now what we will do, we will have to find such value of x for which the value of this p of x, it means after substituting that particular value in this polynomial, the total value or the value of this polynomial will be equal to 0. So for that what we will do, we will substitute the value of 0 starting from we will substitute the value of x starting from 0. After that plus minus 1. So plus minus 1 means one times we will substitute plus 1 and another time minus 1. First we will substitute 0. If 0 is giving if 0 after substituting x is equal to 0, if the total value of polynomial is 0, it means 0 will be one zeros. Getting this or not? Okay, if it is not giving 0, like in this case, if you are going to substitute x is equal to 0, it means p of 0. So p of 0 means in place of x we are substituting 0. So here it will be 0 plus 3, and if you will solve it further, 0 plus 3 will be 0 again. So it is not giving us 0. So it means 0 is not a 0 of this polynomial. Clear? After that we will take plus 1. Okay, so in place of x we will substitute plus 1, or we can say p of plus 1 is equal to, in place of x we will substitute plus 1. So plus 1 plus 3, whether is this giving you 0? No, this is again not giving us 0. It means again 1 is not a 0 of this polynomial. Okay, if it is not giving 0, we will move to minus 1. Okay, and we will check whether after substituting minus 1 the value of this polynomial will be 0. If it is giving 0, so it means minus 1 will be 0 of this polynomial, and if it is not giving 0, we will move further, and after that what we will do, first we will take the value, we will substitute x is equal to plus 2, and if it is giving 0, so plus 2 will be our 0, otherwise we will substitute x is equal to minus 2. Okay, in this same manner, next plus 3 minus 3 plus 4 minus 4 and so on, unless we are not getting 0. So here we have discussed briefly. Okay, so 0 is not giving 0. Tell me whether plus 1 will be give 0. Plus 1 again we have checked, it is not giving 0, neither minus 1. Okay, plus 2 we will check whether substituting plus 2. Okay, so p of 2, in place of x what we are substituting? 2. So p of 2 is equal to 2 plus 3. So p of 2 is equal to 5. So this is not 0. Okay, so it means 2 is not a 0 of given polynomial. After that what we will do, substitute p is equal to x is equal to minus 2. So this one, in place of x we are substituting minus 2. Okay, so minus 2 plus 3, your answer will be plus 1. Again p of minus 2 is not giving us 0, so it means again minus 2 is not a 0 of this polynomial. After that what we will do, plus 1 minus 1 over, plus 2 minus 2 over, now plus 3. Okay, now what we are going to substitute? Now we are going to substitute x is equal to plus 3, or p of x we can say. So p of x is equal to p of 3. So p of 3, in place of x we are substituting 3 here. Okay, so p of 3 is equal to 3 plus 3, your answer will be 6. So p of 3 is giving you 6. So again this is not 0, so it means x is equal to 3, or 3 is not a 0 of this given polynomial. Okay, now what we are going to do, now in this polynomial we are going to substitute x is equal to minus 3. Okay, now substituting x is equal to minus 3, you will write properly. Okay, I am not writing properly. Okay, x is equal to minus 3, you are going to substitute. So p of minus 3, so p of minus 3 is equal to, in place of x minus 3 you are going to substitute plus 3. So minus 3 plus 3, your answer will be 0. So p of minus 3, your answer is 0. So it means this polynomial is 0 if you are substituting x is equal to minus 2. So minus 3 is 0 of polynomial of p of x, you can write, or you can write the polynomial p of x is equal to x plus 3. So minus 3 is 0 of this polynomial. So perhaps this will be clear. So what happened here in this polynomial p of x, that was x plus 3, in this polynomial p of x, a number c, what was c here, minus 3, as we substitute x is equal to minus 3, as we substitute x is equal to minus 3 in this polynomial, the total value was 0. Getting this or not? So okay, now we will move to next example. So our next example is 3x plus 6. So first let p of x is equal to 3x plus 6. Okay, now substituting one by one. What I said, first substituting x is equal to 0. So tell me whether substituting x is equal to 0 or p of 0. Okay, p of 0, whether p of 0 will give us 0. So if you will substitute p x is equal to 0, so p of 0 will be given to you, p of 0 will give you 3 into 0. So 3 into 0, 0 plus 6. So p of, after substituting x is equal to 0, the value of this polynomial is not 0. Correct or not? Okay, so we will move further. Substituting x is equal to plus 1. Tell me, substituting x is equal to plus 1, whether p of 1 will give you 0. No, again it is not giving us 0. 3 into 1. So 3 into 1, 3. 3 plus 6, 9. It is not giving us 0. Substituting x is equal to minus 1. So if you are substituting x is equal to minus 1, so p of minus 1 will be minus p 3 into minus 1. So 3 into minus 1, minus 3 plus 6. So minus 3 plus 6, answer will be plus 3. Again it is not giving us 0. So now what we will do, substituting x is equal to plus 2. Okay, let us check. So substituting x is equal to plus 2, p of 2 is equal to 3 into, in place of x, what we will write, 2 plus 6. So 3 to just 6 plus 6. P of 2 is equal to 6 plus 6. P of 2 is equal to 12. So tell me whether whether x is equal to plus 2 or whether plus 2 is 0 of this polynomial. No, because after substituting x is equal to 2, value of px is not 0. Okay, so now what we are going to do, x is equal to plus 2 is not given. Now substituting x is equal to minus 2 in this given polynomial. Okay, so p of minus 2 is equal to 3 into, in place of x, minus 2 plus 6. So 3 into 2, 6. So minus sign will there, plus 6. So p of minus 2 is equal to this one. P of minus 2 is equal to 0. So here after substituting x is equal to minus 2 in this polynomial, the value of polynomial is 0. So minus 2 is 0 of polynomial p of x, or you can say 3x plus 6. Getting this or not? So perhaps you have understand this. Okay, okay children.